This little Mini 1275 GT had sat underneath a tarpaulin in someone's garden for at least 20 years. Time's taken its toll on the little fella. Now, they only brought in, I think it's 195 1275 GTs into New Zealand, and out of that, there's only like a handful left on the road. In fact, this is the first one I've ever seen since I've been in New Zealand, and I've been here since 2008. And I can, hand on heart, say it's the first one I've seen. So, rare as rocking horse poo. She's a bit rough. Well, it's really rough. So any sane person would probably go, sod that, it's miles too much rot on it, you know. Too much work, get another body shell and throw this one away. But there's something about these cars, especially an original 1275 GT. I say they are rare as. Most of them got ripped apart, all the bits stolen off them for race cars. And so there's just a handful left. And it's just too good to throw away. I can't wait to get my hands on it. This is going to be a total nut and bolt rebuild. Everything, I want to make this better than a new car. So underneath all nice and shiny, top all nice and shiny, the paint will be better than original. The whole car, I'm hoping, is going to come out mint. That's my plan for it anyway. So if you want to see the journey, like, subscribe, keep watching. And this is going to go on for months, obviously, this one, so it won't be an overnight build. So bear with me, people. I'm not made the money or time, but yeah, it's going to be worth it in the long run. In a minute, I'll show you underneath this car, show you how bloody solid it is, and have a little walk around it. So where the Minis normally rot, short answer, absolutely bloody everywhere. But not in this case. Rear valance, sound as. Boot floor, well, the boot floor has been repaired pretty badly. As you can see there's a horrible patch in there. Literally I've just cut part of it out and whacked a patch right over the top, and it's absolutely horrible. Seals, a little bit of surface rust, but that's only to be expected. It did sit for 20 years under a tarp. Seals down this side again, all nice, mint, lovely. Mounting points for the subframe, again, no sign of rust. Both sides, looking quite good. Back of the arches there, so up in this little bit here, normally that's not there, and that's there, both sides. It's a little bit right, but it's there. Up the front of the car, the floor pans have got a bit of damage on them. So we've got a few dents and dings in there, but that should all push out and tap out with a hammer. Same with that side. And if it's rotten, it's an easy repair. But this thing is, yes, it's quite surprising how good it is. Discs, that's what they used to rob all the running gear. Look at that. A few bent bits that need to be straightened out, but that's easy as. So that's underneath. I'll take you inside. So look at that, there's the boot floor. There's our terrible repair. Battery box intact, out, you know, unheard of really. Original fuel tank, the big fuel tank. Our boot lid, look at that. No rust, perfect. Not much rust to talk about anywhere down here really. With nice straight panels down the side. Paint's a bit crap obviously. There's a little tiny hole in the sill there. And we've got a bit of scabbiness there, so no doubt when it gets sandblasted there'll be a hole there. Oh, there we go. Sills all look lovely. Inner sills, from what I can see, they're all good. The floor's all good. Look at that. It's still got the paint on it, for God's sake. Front floor, a little bit scabby, but that's been beaten about a bit. But again, that will all come out. Original 1275 GT clocks. I'm not sure if that's the original steering wheel, but it's staying because it looks nice. It looks original to me, but I wouldn't know. Interior, the seats are not original. I'm going to try and get hold of a set of standard mini seats and get them recovered to match the rest of this interior, because this beige kind of vinyl and velour, I think it looks pretty good. It suits this little car with the poo brown exterior. So inside she's pretty good, eh? Engine bay. So here we go. A little bit of surface rust here and there. Again, I'm not too worried. I have got a donor shell. Luckily my donor shell is a crab, so I don't mind cutting it to bits. But yeah, this thing, pretty good really. Front grille is immaculate, no dents, dings. So that's the project. So first thing is to start stripping it down, which I shall be doing in my next video. So I'll be getting into it, pulling the engine and subframe out of the front. That'll be the first thing. Pulling the rear subframe, pulling the interior out, headlining or coming out, the wiring loom, all that sort of stuff. And then I'm gonna mark this roof, gonna brace it all up inside, mark the roof where I'm gonna cut it, and the roof will be coming off. And then the new roof will be cut and put on here, welded on. Then it'll go on the rotisserie. So yeah, keep watching.